Hi, this is Stacy with JDS Industries. Today I'll be showing you how to sublimate our sublimatable lanyards. The items you will be needing is the transfer sheet, the lanyards, and we're going to be using repositionable spray. Let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to spray our sheet, and I'm going to spray it with repositionable spray. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do multiple on one sheet. You can just do one or however many, but this way I can show everybody, if you're going to do multiples, how to do them. So I already got it sprayed, and now I'm just going to position all my lanyards. So I'm going to just center this on my sheet. And this is a template that we have that's already all ready for you guys on our website, so make sure you use that because that is very helpful when it comes to this product. So if you want to make sure the lanyards don't move when you do flip it on the heat press, then I would recommend we put heat tape on the sides. So let me do that. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly flip it. And you gotta be careful, so especially with these, the plastic, make sure they're hanging over the edge because those will melt. So make sure those are all over the edge. And how we're laying your heat press, we're doing a couple layers of paper towel, a scrap piece of paper, and then the lanyards and the transfer on top. And then I'm just doing a scrap piece of paper on top. I'm heat pressing these for 390 for 1 minute with a medium pressure. So you can flip it over and then remove your tape. And then they're all ready for the second side. Also, another tip, we recommend doing a fade or a feather instead of a harsh edge, and because with the fade or the feather you get a more professional look. So if you want to do the inside of these, all you would do is just repeat the steps we just did to do that also. If you have any questions with this product or any of our other products, visit us online or call the number below. Thanks for watching.